if you hate having so many people tagging you in posting Facebook, then there is a setup that you can use to change that. Now, there is this option where you can be the one who determines whether to publish any tags that have been made on your profile. Now, there are hackers and then there are friends. Sometimes the tag is good, sometimes. So if you want to change that, it's very easy. You just have to log into your Facebook account, go to your profile section, and then you can go to setting and privacy and choose settings. Now, once settings loads, then you'll want to go to the privacy section on the top right hand side. It's in a different position when you're using a mobile device, but just go to the privacy button. Now, once you're in this section, you want to scroll down and look for this part here where we have how people find you and contact you. Let's look for that part here. We have here now view your activity. Now in this section you have this second part, review all posts and things you tagged in. Now this will allow you to decide whether anything that you tagged in appears on your profile automatically or is removed, or it may be kept private until you approve it. So you want to go to use activity log. Now, in the activity log, you'll see every single post and every single mention that you've had before. So you see here, you have the option to hide it and add to profile, hide it, add to profile. Now, this is only visible if you have made a certain setting here. Next to notifications, you have this button here. If you turn this on, review posts you tagged in, this will let you receive notifications of any post that you've been tagged in, and then you can turn it on. I mean, you can decide to either show it or hide it from your profile. So even from here, turning this lets you review posts you tagged in before they appear on your profile. So they still show up in your search feed and other places on Facebook, but they will not appear on your profile. So that's what you need to do. So once you've turned that on, you'll be able to choose the post that you'd like to add to profile. If I wanted to add this, I'll click on add to profile. If I want to hide something, I just tap hide uh, that post from my profile. So that's what you do if you don't want to receive many tags, or you don't want to at least have them appear on your Facebook page or feed page.